Setting up sales tax is a two-part process. First, you have to set up the sales tax authorities that you will use. Second, you must create these sales tax codes using the sales tax authorities. Sales tax authorities are the individual tax rates created and collected for the individual governmental agencies. This could be a state or a county, for example. A sales tax code is a grouping of one or more sales tax authorities. When you create invoices in Sage 50, the sales tax code is what is used to calculate the sales tax within the invoice. You can then see how much sales tax has been collected for each authority within the taxable and exempt sales report. To set up your sales tax authorities and sales tax codes in Sage 50, you select Maintain from the menu bar and then choose the Sales Taxes command. Doing this will open up the Setup Sales Tax window where you can see your available options for creating, editing, deleting, and otherwise maintaining your tax codes and tax agencies. To set up a new sales tax in this window, select the Set up a new tax option and then click the Next button at the bottom of the window to continue. The next screen allows you to enter the total rate that will be charged for the sales tax into the first available box. Note that if your sales tax is based on a formula, then you will leave the percentage box blank. You then use the drop-down to select the number of individual agencies that make up the total tax that you will be collecting. Once you've made your choices, you then click the Next button to continue. The next screen in the window then wants you to set up your taxing authorities for your sales tax. You must enter the information for each taxing authority that you selected on the previous screen. Be sure to indicate how much of the total tax rate this particular authority is collecting and which account will be used to track the sales taxes that you collect. Note that you can use the drop-down in the middle of the screen to select the By Formula option if you need to enter a sales tax rate that is based on a formula versus a flat percentage. Now, if you have only one agency collecting a single tax, or once you have finished entering your taxing authorities, the last screen will allow you to name your sales tax code. You can also select whether to charge tax on shipping if needed for your state. Now, once that information has been entered, you can then click the Finish button to finish creating your sales tax. In the future, if you wish to edit, delete, or simply review the sales tax codes and sales tax agencies that you've created, you can also do that from the Setup Sales Tax screen. To edit either the tax agency information or the associated code, select the Edit an existing sales tax or sales tax agency option, and then click the Next button. In the following screens, you can then select to edit either the code or the agencies as desired. As when creating the sales tax, you simply change whatever information is desired in each screen while clicking the Next button to continue. Then click the Finish button when you've completed your changes.